Hey everybody, David Duncan again here with CarePath Benefits. It's Monday afternoon and I am not actually tired, you're just imagining that. I do have my trusty smiley face ball behind me and we're going to do another video here, so watch out for him. I'm going to name some hospitals or healthcare institutions that you might be familiar with, might not be. Let's see, Andrews Institute in Pensacola, Florida. Boston Children's Hospital, Cancer Treatment Centers of America, Cleveland Clinic, Goshen Cancer Center, and of course the Mayo Clinic, along with several others. These clinics, the level of care, the doctors, the teams surrounding these hospitals and treatment centers are now available in the CarePath Benefits Plan, effective with 9/1/22 groups. Super excited, almost can't comprehend the fact that we now have this level of care for our members. This level of care historically has been available to employer groups with 10,000, 20,000, 30,000 lives. But as you know, as we preach all the time here at CarePath, we're passionate about serving the small to mid-size employer or business, and these high-level facilities and doctors are now, and treatment plans are now available to our customers. So super excited about that. As you know, or as you may have heard, there's a lot of misdiagnosis that happens with spine, cancer, heart, transplant. And so if you can imagine having a heart transplant and 2 years down the road after that transplant realizing that it wasn't necessary. And that's actually the case with 33% of transplants. They're misdiagnosed or mistreated. Cancer, 35% either misdiagnosed or have the wrong treatment plan. Spine injuries or health or treatment plans, 60% of those are misdiagnosed. And so the epidemic of misdiagnosis is real. And what these smart care centers or centers of excellence do for the CarePath plan is they help to negate that issue of misdiagnosis, and so we're excited about that. As you know, last week we announced our partnership with Edison Health Solutions, a TPA out of Tulsa, Oklahoma, that's going to allow us access to these facilities, these hospitals, these treatment centers, and so we're again just stoked to be able to put these in our plan. And one of the best things about it is it's going to be, we're working to make it zero cost to the employee. We don't want the employee to have to bear a huge financial burden to go to the Mayo Clinic or wherever. We're designing these to be zero cost, if not zero cost, very minimal cost to the employee. And then all travel expenses and that such related to the diagnosis and treatment of these certain conditions will be paid by the employer. And so it's really a huge benefit for our members and something that's just a huge differentiator for CarePath, and we're excited about it. If a member or employee can't travel to one of these smart care centers that are located throughout the country, then care coordination will be arranged and provided with the help of these smart care centers at a local facility with local doctors if necessary. So again, bringing the best of the best care for some of the most common misdiagnosed ailments to patients and members. And here at CarePath, as we always say, we want to serve the smallest of employer groups, and we want them to have access to the best care, just like an employee of Walmart would. And so we're super excited about that. Another cool thing is that when you work with these smart care centers, a team of people is diagnosing the ailment, not just a single individual or doctor. And so a team of specialists that specialize in this area of healthcare are diagnosing the individual, and which just adds to the efficiency and effectiveness of these smart care centers. And it's not easy to be on this list with Edison Healthcare Solutions. It's quite the process to get accredited and to be on this list. Currently, there are several institutes and hospitals in process of accreditation. So this list is currently 20 smart care centers, but it will grow. And so again, super excited about it. If you are looking for a new and better product for your employer groups, all the way down to 2 lives, please reach out and ask any questions you might have here. You can email me at david@carepathbenefits.com. You can find us on LinkedIn. We've got a page there that you can contact us with, and we're happy to give you more information on our plans, how they work, how these smart care centers are incorporated. Happy to get you quotes for these 4th quarter groups coming up. Just happy to help in any way we can. So thanks again for joining us today. We'll talk more about some of the features that Edison Healthcare, the TPA, will provide to the CarePath benefit plan coming up. Until then, we'll see you next time. Thanks.